Welcome back to the channel. Another novelty edition of Mike's Vivid Thunder Pyrotechnics, keeping the thunder rolling. Supreme Fireworks, tank with report. We have all 12 of them fused up, ready to go. Little war about to break out. Let's get into it. Supreme Fireworks, Army tank with report. We have a war 6 versus 6. Which one's gonna win? Let's find out. Yeah! Well, that's a battle. Wow, we had one fly up in the air too. Look at this. Still going. Woo! Keeping the thunder rolling. Here is the aftermath. Judging, I would say that side won. Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.